Hello. So today I am going to talk about how to create your own wrapping paper in Photoshop and how to put a photo inside as well onto your wrapping paper. So right here I have a template that I made myself, um, which was 27 inches wide by 19 inches high. And basically I did that because I'm going to use two 13 by 19 sheets of um, paper because I'm going to sublimate this. So that's basically all I did. So this white area back here, which is the background layer, since I want to use two sheets, I did 27 by 19 inches. And then I took these, and as you can see, I just made another template, which is 13 by 19. And then I just picked out some paper right here, background image that I wanted to use. So this is what we're going to start with. All right, so, and I just wanted a border, so that's why it looked like that. All right, so let's get started. All right, I already brought in what I want to use. Trying to make the video kind of short. So here I have an ornament that I wanted to use and a picture that I got off of Pixabay. Okay. And so now that I have my ornament and my picture, what I want to do is, what's my picture at? All right. So you always want to make sure the image that you want is above the image that you want to clip into. So this picture, if you look at my layers panel, is above the ornament. Okay. So I'm going to take this picture, put it over top of my ornament. I'm going to hit Control T or Command T if you have a Mac. And I'm just going to size it down some more, just a little bit. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on right click and click on Create Clipping Mask. Okay. So now I have my image that I want inside of the ornament. And then now what I'm going to do is I want to give this ornament a stroke. So I'm on the ornament panel layer. I'm going to go to FX. I'm going to go to stroke. Okay. I'm just going to give it a little stroke around it. And that looks cute right there. So, I might want to, let me see if I add another stroke to see how it looks. I'm going to add another stroke. So I'm going to click on Add Stroke, go to my next layer with the stroke panel. And I'm going to go to here and change the color. I'm going to pick green or something. Let's see how it looks. And hit OK. And then you just move it, adjust it accordingly and see how it looks. If you want to do another stroke, you don't have to. Let me see. Inside. Let's see. Nope. Center. Let's how the sun look. Oh, that's ugly. I don't know if I like that. I'm gonna hit cancel because I don't really like it. We'll go back to stroke again. FX, stroke. I'm just gonna keep it white. Okay. And say, yeah, I think that's good right there. And then next, what I want to do is I want to type in something, maybe like Happy Holidays or Merry Christmas. So now what I want to do is go to my text tool. Let's see. Select the font that I want to use. I have no idea what font I'm going to pick. I don't even think I got anything Christmassy. I don't know. Let's see. I'm gonna use this one. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna type in the words Merry Christmas. Okay. All right. So what I could do, put a border around this Merry Christmas so it could pop a little bit better so it won't clash as much. So I'm gonna change the color from white to black like that. And I'm gonna hit OK. So, and this is how I want my wrapping paper to look. All right, so now what I'm going to do is the ornament and the girl. I'm going to go to both of these, and I'm going to hit Control, select both layers. I'm gonna link these together. I could group it, but and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hit Alt on my keyboard, and I'm gonna drag it like so. Drag it again like that. And then I'm gonna go to my Merry Christmas. No, I'm sorry. I'm gonna go to my three ornaments here. I'm gonna find them in my layers panel here. And they right here. I got them all. Now it's right here and hold shift to select all three of these. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna link them, and I'm going to simply hit Alt on my keyboard again and drag it down like this. Okay. And then I'm gonna drag it down again like this. Okay. All right. So now I have my pattern that I want. So the Merry Christmas, I am going to make this a little smaller here. I'm gonna put Control T to probably just, I don't know. Should I adjust it? I don't know. I could go here and change it. Go over here to my characters panel. Probably change it to 30. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna hit Alt again and then do that. Make sure those are lined up. Okay. Oops. I'm gonna hit undo. I didn't mean to move that. Okay. So now I could do Merry Christmas again. And put it right here. I'm gonna have to adjust this a little bit so it can fit. And then hold Alt again. I'm just simply duplicating. Okay. So what I'm gonna have to do is move this one up a little bit. So let me go to my layers panel. Hit Control. And move it up a little bit. Like that. And I'm just moving it up just a little bit. And I'm just looking at my layers panel to see which object do I want. All right. So as you can see, now it's coming together perfectly. So, and this is how you create photo wrapping paper if you want to. Just pick any type of ornament that you want, any type of clip art or what have you. Now, this side, I'm gonna take it off because it's just the 13 by 19, so you can see. See, it's just the background. Now, all I have to do is print it if I wanted to. So I just made, for my sake, to make it easy, I just made 13 by 19 sheets because that's what I'm gonna use. You can make it however big you want to make it, or for whatever size paper you have. It can be 8.5 by 11. It just depends on the size of sheet of paper you want to use. Okay, and so now, what I could do, like I said, I could close this out. Oops, let me do that. Because if I want to just print this out, all right. So if I just wanted to print out this sheet right here, I can. I didn't really need anything but one sheet actually. I just had it laid out so I could see. Cause I'm printing this out twice. And if you're gonna sublimate, make sure you flip your image. So let me do that now. Control T, and then go to flip horizontal. Okay. And then hit Control T, flip horizontal. Control T, flip horizontal. Control T and flip horizontal. Okay, so now all I have to do now is go to File and go to Print and just load my paper into my printer. And I'm going to Print Settings, change the size of the paper that I have. What do I have? Change it to my back. I'm gonna move it over. So for some odd reason, I think because of the template that I made. Okay, and that would be my image that will print out. Okay, so I'm going to print this out, and you just hit print. So right now I have to load the paper into my printer, and then I will be back with part 2 on how to sublimate wrapping paper. Okay.